Following its best continuing research tradition, Rhein 83 came up with the newest interchangeable threaded sphere attachments line in order to accommodate the many CAD/CAM technique fans and users. The new line consists in single-threaded spheres, OttCap standard and microsize, and Equator profile attachments to be set also following lost waxing technique. Interchangeable threaded attachments for milled bars prosthetics. CAD/CAM technique. Attachments with a 2mm thread to be set on pre-threaded cast bars. CAD/CAM or lost waxing technique. Attachments with a 1.6mm thread screwed into prefabricated sheaths to be glued on cast bars. See catalogue on pages 12 to 13. Interchangeable threaded attachments. Either working by CAD/CAM or traditional lab techniques, results are the same: high precision and versatility. On video, you can see a final work obtained using Equator Seeger technique on abutments. It is suggested a teeth wax-up trial during every technique, either CAD/CAM or traditional, since dimension and layers are critical to be detected in order to choose proper kind of attachment suited for the case. It is possible to use prefabricated gingival steadies to be set in the case scenario in the mouth. Using a bar, spacer is adapted over location created by using proper mandrel key. Insulate spacer previously for easier removal. Once right position is detected, proceed to finish waxing up. Remove positioners using a plier in order to get the location ready to host the titanium threaded sheaths. Sprue in investment and cast using any kind of alloy. Cast bar can be polished as much as desired with no danger of damaging attachments during this procedure. In fact, attachments will be set in position over the cast bar once finished and ready. Retention will always be granted in this way. Another important advantage is the choice of the right kind of attachments possible anytime you want. In fact, the sheath is the same for all three kinds of attachments. Before curing attachments on bar, put together the components contained in the kit. Insulate with some Vaseline attachment spheres before setting them on mandrel key. It will be easier to remove them from mandrel after curing them with cement. Use an anaerobic dual component self-curing cement to fix attachments on bar. Even though every attachment is tin-coated and has 1,600 Vickers of hardness, we suggest refining and polishing cast bars after curing, after unscrewing every attachment out, thus preventing any scratches or damage. Overstructure frame can be set fast and easy without duplication on master model using an economic prefabricated component system we would like to introduce. Anyway, use of this system is not mandatory with the threaded sphere system. Components are the same as the castable line. Starting with a Teflon layer adapted on cast bar in order to insulate it, we set micro-sized positioner rings over spheres. Insulate with some Vaseline prior to setting castable OT box over rings. Link every box together using self-curing resin in order to get a steady and strong overstructure frame. Before sprue and casting using any kind of alloy, always remove positioner rings left in place. Finish work in a laboratory environment. Fast, easy and precise. Some solutions. Kits. Single threaded attachment kits. Standard or micro sizes kits contain 2 single titanium threaded spheres, 2 titanium threaded sheaths to be glued, 2 stainless steel spacers for sheaths. Single threaded Equator profile attachments kits contain 2 titanium threaded Equator attachments, thread 1.6 by 0.25 mm, 2 titanium threaded sheaths, thread 1.6 by 0.25 mm, 2 stainless steel boxes for retentive caps, 2 stainless steel spacers for sheaths, 8 assorted retention level caps. Tools extra kits. Threaded Equator squared mandrel key. Threaded cap micro size sphere, hex mandrel key 0.9 mm. Threaded cap standard size spheres, hex mandrel key 1.3 mm. Cap micro size mandrel key 1.8 mm. Cap standard size mandrel key 2.5 mm. Can also be used on Equator attachments. Caps inserter cap standard, micro and Equator size. Tentative caps with many different retention levels are also available for attachments. Cap micro size, cap standard size, Equator size.